Go back the other way.
Okay. Here, wait a minute. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good baby.
Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Whoops.
You can do it.
Pull your bridges up. Okay. Come on. Come on to Grandma. Come on.
You can do it, Andrew.
Don't get down.
You've been doing it.
Very good. Okay. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Aw. You did it, though. Good job. You can do it, Andrew.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You're doing it. You're doing it. Come on. You're doing it. Come on.
Oh, man. Yeah, he's doing it.
You're doing it.
You've done
Take
it.
some practice and you'll have it whooped.
Oh, yeah. That's all we need is you to be really good at it.
Whoop.
You're doing it, bud. Whoa. Okay. Well, good job. You're doing it. Like, Grandma, I am so tired.
Okay, you done it.
You did a good job. Look at Mama.
You did it.
Andrew. Hey. Andrew. Andrew.
Good job.
Andrew. Good job. How old are you? You're 9 months old? Yep. You're only 9 months old and you're walking. You're taking steps. Okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye.